Welcome to Flipped Lesson 14 for the 6th grade. Today our focus is negative numbers, understanding how they work and especially looking at number lines and how they work together. We start by just really looking at a list of numbers, and we see our list of numbers of -4, 0, 1, -1, and the question is, can we put them in order from least to greatest? Now, to understand this, the best thing to do is to very quickly place these on a number line. And so we can take our number 4, and we're going to go right here. Our 0, of course, is right here. Our 1 is right here, while our -1 is right here. And by doing that, we can very easily see that -4 is our smallest number, and then we have -1, 0, and 1. Since our positive numbers are going this way and our negative numbers are going this way, we can understand that -1 is much less than 0 and 1, and -4 is definitely less than all three of those numbers. And so we have our first idea there. From there we can move on, and we can look to compare numbers and see that, and our number line is going to serve us in a great way again to help us do that. We can find the -3 and put it right here, and -6 didn't make this number line, but we can understand that as we're going 3, 4, 5, since this arrow says it's going to keep going on forever, we know that right here is where our -6 would come next, and so we can throw that right there. And by comparing them, we can see that even though we have a 3 right here, which part of our brain is telling us, well, that's smaller than 6 because of the negatives and because of how the number line works going that direction, we would say that -3 is larger or greater than -6. And so we have that concept. All right. One of the last things we want to look at as we look at negative numbers is put once again into a situation where we're looking at a number line that says what number is 4 less than 1, or 4 units to the left of 1, because we've got to be less. So we're, in a sense, subtracting. And so if we place our 1 on our number line like that, and then we need to go 4 less, we need to move 4 units to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, we'd find that -3 is 4 less than 1. And so we have these familiar ideas, hopefully, and hopefully these few examples can get you working with that number line. As you work on your problems, don't be afraid to draw a number line so you can visually see what's happening, and working with numbers in that way. Then I'll leave you with a number line or a question right there, a simple idea to get us going. And I'll even erase this number line so you can use it right above you as you work to solve that problem. That is Math Lesson 14.